कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। मार्केट क्या लगता है कि इस नए एपिसोड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। व्हाट अ बजट दिस ईयर वी हैव गॉट, एंड बजट डे के बाद जो रैली शुरू हुई है, सो इट ब्रीच्ड आवर लेवल ऑफ 14,000 विद इन नो टाइम, एंड टुडे व्हेन वी लुक एट निफ्टी, सो निफ्टी इज़ कंफर्टेबली सिटिंग एट 14,900, राइट। अगर हम बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें, right, so bank nifty के लिए the range that we were discussing was about 31,500 to 30,600. Bank nifty was euphoric, and throughout this week it was difficult to cope up with the pace of bank nifty. Amazing returns bank nifty ने दिए हैं अब तक. People have made good amount of money, traders have made good amount of money. And in case of bank nifty, right now the bank nifty is sitting at 35,650 level, right. ये सारी levels को देखने के बाद budget day, as I had suggested, budget day will bring in a lot of volatility, and that volatility is still continuing till this day today, Friday, right. So let's see what the message on Growth Model Group says about today's action, or what is expected in today's day. So as I'm starting my message with, the journey started on a budget day with a range that was broken decisively. Today both the indices are at an all-time high level. Nifty, see now the range for Nifty for the day today was given, it was calculated on yesterday's basis, कल के Thursday के closing के basis पे ये range को calculate किया गया था, and the range is of 14,900 and 15,000 rupees. तो अब यहाँ पे if you see throughout the day, Nifty managed to remain between 15,000 and 14,900, and it closed at around 14,924. So these kind of ranges generally work out for a market, and that gives us an understanding about what is the direction in which we have to initiate a trade. Similarly, for Bank Nifty, the Thursday closing range we calculated as 35,500 to 36,000. And right now, if you can see, Bank Nifty is comfortably at about 35,654, right? IT sector is yet to perform. Pharma sector is doing good. We were trading Divi's Laboratory and Dr. Reddy. It was good. Banks are on fire. So Kotak Bank, then SBI, they were on fire. There was a RBI policy at 10 a.m. So that would have brought another kind of a volatility. And throughout the day, market was little Dixie-dicey and not very convincingly bullish or a convincingly bearish. So there was a sign of some profit booking being happening throughout the today's session, because it being a weekend. But then all in all, if you look at it, the entire picture was not so bullish or not so bearish. So it was kind of stuck in a kind of a range action, right? Now this one specific thing that I want to share with you is that Dr. Sachin Dalal, right now Dr. Sachin Dalal is the entrant in our 1 lakh club in this particular week, and in this week it is his second attempt or second trade, I would say, which has scored more than a lakh rupee, right. So he's trading only two positions here, a position in Bajaj Finance 5,000 call options, and Bank Nifty 11 February 35,600 call options, and two positions has given him enormous profit. So he's very happy with the entire process, and look at the way disciplined part about this process is that not exceptionally high number of trades, just taking couple of trades and holding through it. So very disciplined kind of a behavior from Dr. Sachin, and that's how a journey of a trader is always about. When was the last time you saw a Nifty candle which is more than 9.5%, or a Bank Nifty candle which is about 16%? This candle was at 19% in the morning. चलो निफ्टी से शुरू करते हैं. So Nifty very strong, a very decisive kind of candle which is being printed, and as you can see from our last weekly higher low to higher high analysis, the target that comes to around 14,781. Now this target is completed, and it will be very eminent, it will be very prudent to see if Nifty remains above this level of 14,780 for this week, or how it goes about it. So let me just rewrite this target, and let me just again, I think this target, let's keep it to 14,781. I've just made a mistake. It is 14,781. Now this is not a target Nifty important level, right? So if, as long as Nifty is above this level, it will be pretty good. It will be pretty good for Nifty to be bullish. If there is a retracement below this, then the market might consolidate or retrace a bit. So keep your eye on this particular level, right? The range, if we are talking about a particular range for this particular week, so the range is going to be, this was our box last week, budget action, and as during the budget day it decisively broke out above this, then it was a long story altogether, right? So a similar kind of a box, or let's drag this box to a different level. Let's drag this box, and the important level for this particular week, I believe, will be 15,100 and 14,900, right? So 14,900 is what I am expecting. If Nifty breaks below this level, then it can be a bearish trend. It will be a correction level, and then you watch for this level of 14,781. If this doesn't break, and if Nifty is bullish, then in that case the idea is simple. You just have to calculate from this low to this high, and the target that we get, the bullish target that we get, is this. So 514,214 is the level, 15,214 is the level, and this is on the basis of a hourly target. Nifty hourly time frame bullish target will be of 15,240. Cool. So ये target है, ये range है. If it breaks above this, this is the target. If it breaks below this, this is the level to watch out. And this peak will be important, because see, my thought process says that if in a particular week Nifty has done a very aggressive kind of a movement, there will be a cooling off period. There must be a cooling off period, and prices should consolidate within this particular range, is what my expectation, my reading about the charts. If you are trading, you must have a system to trade, and just take these important levels into consideration. Let's say if it breaks above this level of 15,100, then the target is going to be 15,214. If it breaks below this, then watch out for this level 14,781. Below this, there can be a profit booking or bearishness, but I expect Nifty to remain range bound for the coming week, right? So that is one observation for Nifty. Let's quickly go to Bank Nifty. Again, a massive candle, 16.65% candle. When was the last time you had seen such kind of a candle, right? Amazing kind of returns, and also a weekly target got completed, 36,225. Now again, this level 36,225, this level must be sustained on a closing basis, right? And as long as this level is being sustained, I will be bullish on Nifty. If the price of Nifty remains above, right now it is below this, but this will be an important resistance level. So this level is 36,225. So this will be important resistance as long as we are below this level. So the key is going to be 35,500 will be the important level. Let's quickly go on to hourly chart and see Bank Nifty already from this important level it has started to retrace a bit, and this retracement is going to go on. This was our box on the budget day and it broke decisively above this on a budget day, and the story changed altogether. It was an amazing week, right? And looking at this particular week, let's say if we just drag it above here, and I want to create a box for this week as well. This box is going to tell us little about this week's action. And what do I expect? I'm expecting 36,500 and 35,500. So this 35,500 will be my lower level, which is important level, and this is how the view is going to be. See, it has to be above this level, important resistance के ऊपर होना चाहिए. If it breaks above this, then it's going to be a next bullish target for Bank Nifty. और अगर इसके नीचे हम देखते हैं तो it will consolidate, it will do some profit booking kind of a scenario, and the retracement will be there. But more importantly, always remember, let's say whenever you see on any time frame, if there is a huge candle, bigger candle, then there is always a retracement to this particular candle, and the price action will be consolidating for this entire week or even a week more than this, and then after that it will stabilize, and then it will start its journey on the upside or downside based on the confirmation. So right now no new target for Bank Nifty, but let us observe the action that is happening in coming week. With these things, I'm signing off. Wish you all a very happy trading day, and unless and until there is a momentum in market, don't go and buy options, right? So this is my tip of the day, and that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice time.